Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I was not planning on filming today. It's a Sunday, but I came across some news that I just had to share with you guys. Like, holy shit. So today I was on Poshmark and I noticed a little notification that came up in the news feed that said, you guys ready for this shit? Hey Posh ambassadors, soon, okay. Soon we'll be testing the ability for you to share, send offers, and edit prices in bulk. What? And then it says, update your app and stay tuned for more info. What? You guys, this is huge. This is huge. It's huge. Okay, so I have many thoughts. My first thought is, what about all those bots? Like, what's going to happen to all those companies? I'm sure there will still be some people that don't want to share themselves, even if you can do it in bulk. That's still not going to be good enough for them. So I'm sure there will be, like I said, some people that still want to automate that stuff, which again, it's against Poshmark rules. Who knows though? Maybe they'll change that. Maybe they'll change that too someday. Maybe. But I don't feel like those companies will like completely be shit out of luck. I feel like there's still going to be some people that, you know, don't want to deal with that, even though in bulk, like, what does that mean? What does that mean in bulk? Like, does it mean, you know, all of your listings at once? Does it mean, you know, you can do like 10 at once? You can do 20 at once? What does it mean? What does it mean? I don't know. Poshmark, you're leaving us hanging. This is nuts. This is crazy. Whoa. It's crazy that I'm getting so excited over something that's like so simple, or it should be so simple, or it should have been already implemented into Poshmark already. You can share in bulk. So how is that going to work in terms of like the search and stuff? Oh my gosh, I have so many questions. Poshmark, you seriously just left us hanging. Like, what the fuck? Sharing in bulk, does it mean that, you know, you can share 10 at the same time? Or does it mean that you can like select 10 and it'll share 10 one after another? You know, like what does it mean in bulk? I would think that means at the same time, right? But then again, what about the search? Like, how's that going to affect search results and stuff? I don't know. I got lots of questions. And then what else? Send offers. You can send offers in bulk. That'll be cool. You'll probably have to send like the same amount for every offer. We'll have to do like 20% for all of the offers. You know, you can't do them like individualized. So, I don't know about that. And then the same with editing prices in bulk. You know, you'll have to probably, what makes sense to me is you'll have to do the same, you know, edit for all of them, right? I have good questions, but holy shit balls, this is like huge. Seriously, huge. So you guys should comment down below and let me know what you think about this. What do you think is going to happen to, you know, all of these companies like Poshmark sharing tool, you know, all the bots, like what's going to happen? I don't know. I don't know when, you know, they're going to give us more info. It says update your app and stay tuned. Like, I feel like they might be teasing us a little bit because they just announced Posh Fest, which is going to be in October. So I feel like June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, I feel like they're going to wait probably until Posh Fest to roll it out, you know, maybe. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think, because I just, whoa. Maybe this will be like a paid feature on Poshmark. That would really suck. I mean, it'd be smart for them to do it because I feel like they're realizing that they're, you know, losing money because people are, you know, using bot services. So maybe they're like, oh shit, maybe we can make money by making people pay for this feature. I hope it's not a paid feature. Poshmark, if you're watching this, don't make it a paid feature because that's just, no, just don't do that. Guess we'll see whenever they decide to roll it out. Again, I think it's probably going to be around when Posh Fest is, because this is like a major update and I feel like, they're probably going to wait until Posh Fest to tell us more details. Although, like 4 months earlier, that is kind of early to tell us. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Let's answer a couple of questions. Does your Goodwill ask for donations for their work program? Ours asks if we want to round up to the nearest dollar. I usually say yes because they see me often and I feel rude if I say no, thank you. Okay, first of all, don't feel rude. Don't feel rude. That's your money. You know, if you don't want to donate to them, you don't have to. Don't feel rude or like guilted into doing that. No, I hate that shit. I hate that whenever I go to like, I don't know, places like, and they're like, oh, you want to donate $1? And I'm like, yeah, sometimes I say yes, sometimes I say no, but I don't ever feel like, oh, I have to do this. I have to. Like, no. Yes, they do ask me that. And again, no, I don't feel obligated or feel bad if I say no. But can we just talk about Goodwill prices for a second? Because they've gone up and it's crazy. I went there recently and all of the sweatshirts were at least $10. They had jeans for $15. I'm like, what is going on? Like, obviously, you know, they're going to raise their prices because of resellers, because of me, a Poshmark reseller. Goodwill is raising their prices, right? That's what everyone's saying. I've noticed that they have raised their prices recently. Let me know if the Goodwills near you guys are the same way, if they're raising their prices. It's almost not worth it to source there anymore. Like, I can't believe I'm saying that, but yeah, it's pretty intense. All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up because I've talked long enough. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this news. I think it's huge. Like, holy shit balls. Whoa, I don't even know. Whoa, I don't know. Whoa, I don't know. How many times have I said that in this video? Yeah, so I guess we'll see. I will keep you guys updated as to what happens with this as soon as we find out. But yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully it's not paid, and hopefully it works and it's a good thing and it's helpful. All right, I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.